Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with an interesting topic and I hope you are going to learn a very beautiful principle to save your money, as well as you are also going to improve your English along with me. So let's begin. The topic name is the seed principle. Many people work hard for money but still feel stuck and frustrated. The Bible teaches a simple but powerful principle. Every harvest begins with a seed. In real life, money follows the same rule. You cannot expect financial growth without first planting the right seeds. Let me give you some simple examples. If you want more income, one seed is learning a new skill. You may start with just 30 minutes a day. At first, nothing changes, but over time, that skill creates new opportunities. If you want financial safety, another seed is saving money regularly. Even a small amount saved every month can grow into peace and confidence. If you want financial freedom, a very important seed is discipline. For example, saying no to unnecessary spending today helps you say yes to freedom tomorrow. These actions may look small and they may feel slow, but the Bible reminds us that growth takes time. Consistency turns small efforts into strong results. Discipline builds stability, and stability opens the door to freedom. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are. Plant one good seed today and trust that your harvest will come. I hope this video is going to be help you in your financial growth. Thank you for watching.